Hello everyone, how's it going? It's FasterAutoKeys here, and this is our replacement key shell for the diamond-shaped BMW keys. Now, as you can tell right here, this is an original BMW key, and unfortunately, this one is wrapped around in tape. There's a lot of these BMW keys that are damaged because they had to be opened in order to have the battery changed. Once you open these original BMW keys, they never really fit in place. Some people use glue, some people use tape as this one right here, and it never really works. It's not completely sealed and it's not a very safe solution, especially if it gets wet. What we have right here is a key shell replacement, and we provide these with a cutting service. You can order one at our website, and all you have to do is text a picture or contact us with your picture of the key blade, and we can use that for a cutting service. This can be done anywhere in the United States. You don't have to be near us, and we do cutting services for this key as well as this type that has a little notch on the blade right there. These key shells, what is really good about them is that they don't use glue, they don't use anything crazy like that. In fact, it just snaps in place. And the best part is that if you ever have to open these, you can just pry it open and you don't damage the key shell. It doesn't destroy itself like these original keys. So check this one out. This person used glue as well as tape. It didn't work out, and this is the original chip. You're going to see how cool and easy it is to use these new replacement key shells. So you just want to simply place the chip right here, make sure it fits in and it's not at an angle. You go ahead and put the cover on and it just kind of snaps in place. There you go. We now have the chip inside, and as you can tell, you can hear the buttons. It's very easy to use, very comfortable. It's not cheap, you don't feel it shaking inside the key shell. It works exactly like the original one, except it's new, of course, with a fresh new cut. Again, we provide these keys as well as these keys with a cutting service at our website. You can order one at our website. Just check out the link in the description below, and you can send us a picture through text or through the website, and we can send you a key with a cutting service. If you need one with a chip inside, we also have those available. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or text our support number. We're more than happy to help with any questions you may have. And thank you for watching this video.